guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I believe you all are doing well. Finally, I've gotten my hair cut. Yeah, I cut my hair on my own, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, because I can't afford paying for 20 to 30 euros just to get a simple haircut like this. So I decided to like do it on my own, and I'm not regretting it. Okay, so today I'll be trying out a new hair color. But yeah, before I do that, I want to like share a simple tips on how to get the perfect color that you wanted. I'm doing this because so many people has been asking me questions about hair coloring, you know, and the struggles. Yeah, when I first started using colors, I won't lie, I struggled. Like, I would just go to the shop, pick a color, hoping that it would turn out the way I wanted it, but then it would just give me something else, you know. So I really understand the struggles of getting the perfect hair color that you want. So number one tip I'll be sharing is try to mix your hair colors like properly. Okay, don't be in a haste when you are mixing the colors. Try as much as you can to mix it, you know, so well. That also helps. And another tip I'll be sharing is when you go to the shop, I use drugstore colors. Right here I have different kinds of colors. You can see some of them I've not tried them before. So this is the one I'm trying today, this one and this one. So when you go to the shop to pick any hair color, if you want your hair to be blue, green, any hair color at all, first of all, when you get to the shop, don't just go there and look at the front cover and then you see is this color and then you take it and run off to try it out. When you get to the shop, try as much as possible to check at the back of here. It's quite easy to pick some colors. If you know how these things work, I think you won't have any problems at all. So when you get to the shop, try to see the back of, like, you'll see something like this, and this right here shows you the kind of color you are. If your hair is some certain colors, like for example, if your hair is brownish kind of blonde, if you put this color on, you're not going to get this. But if your hair is more light blonde, if you put this on, you get a lighter kind of rose gold. But if you want the color to pop so well, you have to get a platinum blonde first. For example, my hair is dark. I don't expect to get this kind of rose gold when I put this for the first time without turning my hair to blonde at first. So this is where this one comes in right here. So before I put this on, I'm going to put this one first to get this kind of blonde. And this one, I'm going to be applying it 2 times, because when you put it at the first time, you can see my hair is so dark. So I don't expect to like put this at once and then get more platinum blonde. So this one, you are going to put it twice to get your hair to be more blonde before you put this on. So it's just a simple trick. If you want to achieve a red color, if you want to achieve a blue color, if your hair is dark, don't just put it and hoping to get that color you've wanted. Try as much as you can to, you know, get your hair to be blonde, more blonde, depending on how you want the color to pop. If you want it to be so bluish, if you want it to be so greenish, you have to get your hair to be so blonde. The more blonde your hair is, the more color you are going to get. The more color you are going to get, if you understand what I mean. So if you want your hair to be so like this exact color, you have to get your hair to be as blonde as possible. Okay, I just hope these tricks helps. Okay, so I'm not good with explanations, but I just wish it helps you to like achieve that perfect color you've wanted. So guys, let's move on to the coloring section. Like I said, I'm trying this on, and yeah. So with the video, the hair coloring video, I just hope it will make everything so easier for you. Okay, so guys, I will catch you guys later.
fire. Girl, what's your desire? 네 심장은 paradise. You're beautiful, girl, can't you see? 다들 너를 질투해. 걱정 마, girl, can't you see? 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해. Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah, 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah, 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money. 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah, 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money.
Yo. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강. 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야. 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야. 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah, 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah, 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money. 못나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah, 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah, I want more money, more money, more money. More money.